Unong alam gan National People's Party Khuborjylla ba snya bhalang dhar ubadei ru sembut menteri rang ba Khuborjylla ulo ong ba kajingwan regipat ba pampenya so ka parti kadai kadak ka bhang na kabenta Kyrtong ka parti u Dr. DR Elnonglat hakani ke Elekshon MP Shiteng Samoi ka ban Shillong. Habakran berkilat pathai Khubor u ba snya bhalang ulayat hu ba na ka parti ru kitre Shitong ban pensengut hu ekipat ba habaro ki lai pundri ki constituency Jong ka Jilla.
Lai pundri konstituency dak borong penpau di sokmen kunga MP party ba kila iwan Jong sisai mana kondusi katu kaningun naga from different political party tekani gilai kadak kasini ba is a good sign naga tahu kan di dumi man unyo sak ni jok kapurahnya Elekshon man man piong hari boy piong hari jantia long jantia piong khubor piong so kinong Jong manaksi kila arung kila kas party ini I could play Kiro and they are most welcome to our NP family. Lok Sabha by-election which is yet to come. So we from the party side along with the candidate and along with the party workers across the 36 constituency, we are preparing it very well and also we are trying to work very hard to make sure that at least Dr. B.R. Knowledge should come with a good and good majority. So as of now we are separate all our 36 constituencies, so our party worker is they are on the field right now.